Hi, hi students. I am Dr. Badrinath, National Tuberculosis Control Program. Very clear cut title. Very by seeing the title itself, you came to know what is the objective. How Indian nation fights the tuberculosis. Now we are fighting with the corona, no? Corona 2 now is going on. In the same fashion, how the India has faced, what are the challenges of this disease? All the things that we came to know. See how the disease is developed, what is the treatment, diagnosis, prevention, that are all not the matter here. How the nation fights the tuberculosis, that is the point here. Okay, that is a clear cut objective. Okay, that's why here see how the India nation and India symbol, and tuberculosis is related to the lungs. It's disease related to the lungs. Here you can get the cough is the main symptom, and after a few days, no, when you start a treatment, you feel that you are free from TB. No, actually, the virus will go and hide in the immune system itself. That was a very biggest challenge of the TB. In the immune system itself, it hides. So that's why even body also not easily fights. For Nobel Prize award also came for that point. What I have told you. Okay. Yeah, the tunnel we will see now. See, this is a not pandemic. Tuberculosis, corona is a pandemic. Tuberculosis is a epidemic. Epidemic means which is restricted to one continent or one nation. That's it, one place, particularly one place or one continent or one. Whereas a pandemic, it spreads throughout the world. Corona is a pandemic. Okay, AIDS is a epidemic. AIDS, TB, tuberculosis is also epidemic. Okay, and what is the meaning of endemic? Endemic means it is restricted to particular place, one village or one city, like that only. It won't spread. It won't spread at all. Okay. These points you have to keep in your mind. Very, very important. We are using the word of pandemic regularly. Pandemic, like that. See, what are the points I have covered here? Introduction about the program, not about the TB program. Okay. And NTPC, National Tuberculosis Control Program, NTCP, okay, and revised National Tuberculosis Control Program, RNTCP, okay, and dots, directly observed treatment short course. These, if you cover all these points, then entire the things will be. These are the 4 points through which only the nation has fights the TB. Yeah, we are studying the subject of social and preventive medicine, also called as a social and preventive pharmacy. For pharmacy students, it is a pharmacy. For remaining BSc nursing, lab technicians, for everybody MBBS students, that and all is a social and preventive medicine. Yeah, what we have to cover here, see objectives, functioning, and outcome of all the 9 programs. See, 9 type of diseases, how the nation has fight. For in first one, I have already completed HIV and AIDS control program. In the second video, TB. I will explain you TB. What is the main 3 objectives, functioning, and outcome? That's it. Remaining and all you need not to be bothered about. Put all these worries, remaining points in the Bay of Bengal. Okay. Yeah, first introduction. Everything is sweet and short. That's it. In 1946, Bore Committee, a very important committee, Bore Committee. It is a health committee, one of the health committee appointed by the central government. They made some 4 or 5 members. The Bore is the head of for them. You find what is the situation of the health in the nation. That is before 1 year, just 1 year before the Independence Day. So what happened? There was a wide gap. He reported that there was a wide gap between the TB patients and number of beds. Now we are suffering with Corona hospital. No beds are there. No oxygen is there. Like that we are suffering. No? In the same fashion, they have already reported in the TB itself. TB patients number of beds that and all already reported. So what happened? TB division is allotted under the DGHS in 1947. Next year itself, immediately allotted under the DGHS. DGHS means Directorate General of the Health Services, that we know very well. And 1951 BCG vaccine campaign. It is very important vaccine for just like Corona vaccine, Covaxin, and the Covishield is there. No? In the same fashion, BCG vaccine is the very important vaccine for the TB. And TRC is established at Chennai and Tamil. This is a TRC. TRC. What is a TRC? Tuberculosis Research Center. You can find here. It was Chennai. You can see here. It was situated in the Chennai TRC. The TRC other name is also there. The next 3 years they have changed this TRC into NIRT. Here you can see NIRT. So NIRT is same. TRC is also same. TRC is nothing but Tuberculosis Research Center. NIRT is nothing but National Institute for Research in Tuberculosis. This is called a NIRT. Both are same only. Formerly it is called as a TRC, but now currently it is called as a NIRT. And what is National Tuberculosis Control, NTCP? National Tuberculosis Control Program. This here I have given the abbreviation. It is launched in the 1962. Very, very important, and it is a highly failure utter plaf model. Utter plaf. Why this become a utter plaf? They made a review. The government here has made a review on this one. Why it is a failure means they reported after 30 years. See here, after 30 years, a strong review of NTCP situation by 3 agencies: Government of India, World Health Organization, and SIDA, that is Sweden, Swedish International Department Agency. All these 3 put together, they formed and they made a review why the TB is failure for the past 30 years. They made 1992. This keep in your mind. 1992. They made a review. So this is a SIDA, SIDA, Swedish International Department Agency on Tuberculosis. And they have given several reasons why there was a failure of this program. Managerial weakness, both central government, all states government, they are not, that is also one way they can't able to handle, no, because population of problem is there. Managerial weakness is there, central government and all state governments. And the TB needs a long-term chronic treatment. That's why here I gave a star mark, very, 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 very important. Chronic treatment, it requires a years together, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. That's why it was a very tough disease. Patient will feel that it starts cured, it's cured, and he will stop the medication. When he stops the medication, again it comes. So again he will start the medication, and he can taking off symptoms will stop again. Cycle is repeating like that only. That's why chronic treatment is required. The patients, they are not taking a regularly medication because of the absence of the symptom for few days. Treatment completion rate is low. That's why treatment is not at all completed. 1 year treatment nobody will take. 2 years treatment nobody will take. 1 or 2 doses will be missed. They will go to functions. They will go to some other villages. They will work on that, some other work like that. So treatment success rate is very low. These are all the reason you have to write in the examination. Interrupted supply of the drugs. Now remdesivir is somewhat shortage is there. No, in the same fashion, in those days, interrupted supplies of the drug. And oral reliance on X-ray. The TB diagnosis, they are depending upon the X-ray only. This is main biggest problem. This is also just like chronic treatment. Okay, always they have to, each and every time they will call, either it is a cured or not. X-ray, each and every time X-ray means nobody will come. Patient's cooperation is very less. Death rate is high. All these are the points. Okay, and spread of the multi-drug resistance TB, it is one of the again hectic. All each and every point are important. Every point. Okay, so multi-drug resistance, not single drug resistance. Multi-drug, 1 drug resistance, 2 drug again mutant, 3rd drug again mutant. So it's go on changing. So 2 drugs, 3 drugs, 4 drugs also it is not dying. First it initially dies. Later it get a resistance like Corona 1, Corona 2, Corona 3, double mutant, triple mutant in the same fashion. Okay, now what they did is they revised the thing. The same program here, NTCP, RNTCP. Launching of the RNTCP, Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program, launched in 1993. See here, review committee had given a report in 1992. Immediately next year, they were made it revised. What is the revised? Part of country's 12th year 5-year plan, 12th to 5th year 5-year plans. That is a nation having a 5-year plans, everything. So it is a part of it. Achievement of at least 85% of cure. They did it because 100% is not possible. They decided 85% reduction means it's greater. Like that they thought. Achievement of at least 85% cure rate of the TB. Implementation of new strategy, DOTS. This is very, 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 very important. Each and everything is important because I already gave a discount in the textbook. There was a kilometers matter is there. I already summarized it for you only. So very key points. Each and every letter, comma, full stop also very important in this. Okay, implementation of new strategy of the DOTS. What is the DOTS that we will see? And augmentation means adding or increasing of a finding of activities through the sputum microscopy. This is the new step. Whereas here, see, NTCP, X-ray, that point you keep in your mind. In revised system, what happened? Because X-ray made a problem because the patient will not cooperate. Spitting they will give very easily. That's why they are spitting and they made a culture. Sputum culture only give the results of the TB. That also you have to culture it, sputum. Not direct to sputum if you are taking, no. You have to culture it. Dots, here you can see dots. So sputum microscopy is detected at least 70% of the estimated cases. Okay, and adopted internationally recommended dots strategy was implemented. Actions, these are the actions, these are the objectives, these are the launching. Okay, what are the actions? Dots, directly observed treatment short course, because it is a chronic. Here I have shown it was a chronic, that's why they made it very short. And multi-drug, they increased the drugs, they decreased the time. That was the strategy of the dots. Okay, that they have implemented in the pilot project. Like that paper plate we will make no project. Whenever you want to construct it directly, we cannot construct. Pilot project we will do with the availability of the resources whatever is there at present, right? So like a paper rocket, they did pilot project phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Okay, like that. And in 1993 itself, see here the same year they are going like that. Make it short. Treatment chronic is there, you make it short. Okay, diagnosis is X-ray, they change it into diagnosis into sputum, like that. Make it short and simple. That is a success story of the second one, revised thing. See, this is the dots. What is the dots means? See, I have already told it is a 1 year, 2 year treatment, TB in olden days. Now, what happened in the dots? They reduced it to 6 months. The dots was proposed by WHO, World Health Organization. Total course is 6 months. First 2 months you have to use a AK-84, like AK-47. Here I kept for easy remembers AKT, AK-47. Okay, AKT-4, very popular one by the Lupin Pharma, manufacturer is a Lupin. AKT-4. This consists of a 4 drugs. That's why it is they are giving a name as a 4. Okay, what is that 4 contains of AKT-2 for 4? First 2 months you have to do AKT-4. For next 4 months you have to do AKT-2. Okay, AKT-4 means rifampicin, isoniazid, ethambutol, pyrazide. See, each one is each tablet. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drugs are there. That's why here AKT-4. Now AKT-2. AKT-2 is a rifampicin and isoniazid. That's it. So first initially they are giving 4 drugs because it is a multi-drug resistance. Keep in your mind, multi-drug resistance. In dose you have to the number of drugs increase and you have to. Okay, and this is a dots, launching of dots. Dots is also called as a dots TB. It is a part of RNTCP. RNTCP part only, it is not special. Name and proposal given by the WHO. Strategy plans 5. Government has to give a commitment to the supply of strong drugs regularly, frequent, like that. And the case detection by the sputum spear. These are the supply of a drug. Government has to give a commitment about the supply of the drug. Drugs, see here, sufficient and adequate drug supply. Government should have take a strong desire. Smear microscopy, standardization of regimen, 6 to 9 months. Direct observation, that is very, very important. Direct observation by a health co-worker and a standardized recording and reporting system. Okay, these are the 5 things. It is a diagnosis primarily by the sputum benefit. These are the benefits. Domiciliary treatment. This is also called as a domiciliary treatment. Short course of chemotherapy, intermittent chemotherapy also. In between also, if any person came, TB identified, immediately that also. Okay, directly observed treatment, very effective. Contacts are not at a high risk. If you go and touch with any other person like a sputum or sneeze, because it's spread by the sneezing. Okay, contact persons are not at a higher risk. Okay, in Wolden therapy, now before the dots, if any sputum, even though the patient is taking a treatment, if any sputum is there, it will be very dangerous. It is spreading. But the dots theory, when they started, so the patient has become non-spreadable. No additional needed of the bed rest, special diet, nothing is required. Economically benefit, no need of hospitalization. These are the dots therapy. Whereas in before the dots, they need a hospitalization, very economy. And what is the outcome is very important. Great outcome. 41 million people are treated successfully. And 6 million patients' life is saved. You have to write all these points. Okay, 60% of patients get benefited because of the TB. Okay, from the TB they benefited. Okay, so right now, so I will end my session here. Okay, in my channel playlist, I kept all videos subject wise. You can be watch it.